Trading crude oil, natural gas, coal, and electricity between China and Russia has developed steadily. The value of energy trade has accounted for about one-third of bilateral trade for many years, providing important support for high-level practical cooperation in various fields. Strategic deployments for China's high-level opening up and building an energy superpower have provided new important opportunities for China-Russia energy cooperation. China is willing to work with Russia to further implement the important consensus of our two heads of state, continuously deepening strategic cooperation in the energy sector and constantly forging a new landscape of win-win cooperation.
Last year, the total volume of our mutual trade reached an unprecedented record of $245 billion. China, being a key strategic ally of Russia, currently holds the top position among our nation's foreign trade partners. Conversely, Russia itself holds the fourth position in terms of overall bilateral trade with China. By the end of 2024, our nation provided almost 19% of China's energy imports, with a total value of approximately $100 billion. In recent years, settlements between Russia and China have been almost entirely converted to national currencies, and the share of the dollar and euro has fallen to a statistically insignificant level. Today, China is a major energy power shaping the new phase of global energy. The country is rapidly moving to build a new energy system, combining traditional and alternative sources. At the same time, the West followed the path of the well-known German philosopher Jakob Böhmer, who preached a magical way of achieving results. As we say, by magic, or by my own wish, or with God's help. As a result, today the level of electricity generation in China more than doubles its production in the US. This situation is the opposite of what it was 20 years ago. China is responsible for one-third of global energy sector investments. It is anticipated that this year, China's investments will reach approximately $900 billion, which will be 30% higher than the total investments of all North America, and more than 1.5 times those of Europe.
Trade and economic cooperation between Russia and China sets new records every year. And if we recall 2018, the first year of the forum, trade between our countries was just over $108 billion. Last year, bilateral trade increased to 245, more than a third of which is provided by the fuel and energy complex.